Igbo ndị ọma njem nwa na-ekene m unu biko awere ọtụtụ kwadoro n'ụka mgbede maka na nwanne anyị nwoke ekwuchala ihe niile anyị na-ekwu ịghọta ịbịa na anyị efu dat na o si n'ụka omenala wee pụta wee na-agwakwana anyị dat n'ihe Mathias na-eme abụrụ omenala kama na ọjọọ si ji nnu nwayọ na-emela ọrụ ya biznes nke ya wee were ha wee na-epromote biznes ya because not the same thing ihe ndị ụka na-eme ka ya wa na-emekwa na onweghị ihe dị iche na ya ịma na anyị na-ekwu ya bụ ihe ọ dịka gasị na anyị na-agbawo na anyị na-agbasa ndị omenala wụ but ịbịa cheki ọfụma ifu na ọ bụghị ihe a ka ndị nna nna anyị na-eme ọ bụghị ihe a ka ha na-eme ha kpọrọ omenala kama na ọjọọ si binye nke ya chọọ ewe oge shiwe wee na-anakọta ndị mmadụ ego because ma oyiye wa na ọ na ha ekwu kịta na ndị chọọchị na-eyi oyiye a na-eme offering time tithe na ndị otu ya ha nchaka na-emekwe na gị na omenala ụzọ eziokwu bụ chọọchị nke ya biko ka anyị ga-ewe nna anyị nwoke ntị maka na o nwere ọtụtụ ihe okwu maka echefukwana ka subscribe ngwa gee ntị nke ọma.
Good afternoon everyone. I'm here to debunk this lie by one guy on a foolish TV or senior foolish or wise now. I'm called foolish before this wise because now for na Mathias the near transport mabu no biawa Abuja. But that is by the way. Wise now TV. It threw me go. The last time I checked, I didn't collect a penny from him. Mathias gave me 10,000 naira from his own pocket. The guy who gave me 40,000 naira is my own brother, not even Mathias, and he did not give it to me because of you. So I don't know where you got that fallacy that somebody contributed 90,000 naira for me. You are going to provide the evidence. People who gave me money did not give me money because of Wise Now TV. Maybe Jitoro Miabego. So you have to provide the evidence of that 90,000 naira. Wise Now TV. Gikanagwia. Secondly, Mathias Ezeaku did not help me in fighting pastor. Rather, Berekete family was the one who took charge of that case. Though, to be sincere, Mathias' lawyer wanted to help out, but it is inappropriate because a legal team has already taken over the case. So Mathias did not help me to fight the case of my ex-wife. And the woman you are calling my wife is not my ex-wife. I am legally divorced. And I have divorced her based on the ground of infidelity. So mind what you are saying. Next time you are posting, you mind what you are saying to avoid problems. Wise Now TV, be careful, and I'm giving you this warning for the last time. You never contributed a dime for me. So mind what you are posting on Facebook. You, Wise Now TV, never contributed a dime for me. And if you have done, provide evidence. Okay? This is just to debunk your lies. As for the issue of my ex-wife and the pastor, that is not for today. When I'm ready to talk about that, I will talk about that. But for now, this is for Wise Now TV circulating false allegation that 90-something thousand naira was contributed for me. The other people who gave 1,000, 2,000, they are all there. You, Wise Now TV, never contributed a dime for me. Okay? And the guy who gave me 4,000 is from my local government. I'll still post his picture. Not Mathias. Before you now use me to catch cruise.